so much flavor and very easy prep is exactly what one of my readers discovered with these beef kushiyaki skewers. Fire up your grill and let's cook. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google beef kushiyaki starchy to find me. Let's start by preparing our beef. Today I'm using about 300 grams of top round steak, but any thick steak you like with a bit of fat will do, and there's no need to get wagyu. Cut it into about 3 cm pieces. You want them to be a uniform size so that they cook evenly. The steak I'm using today has a lot of marbling but no fat cap. However, if your steak has a fat cap, you shouldn't waste it. Cut it off, cut it into small pieces and save it to alternate between the meat when it's time to put them on the skewers. This will help keep the meat juicy and add more flavors. Now for the marinade. Place the beef in a sealable bag and add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of grated apple, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon of fresh ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. Seal that bag and massage everything together until the seasonings are evenly distributed and the beef is fully covered. This combination might seem unusual, but trust me on this. The grated apple adds a subtle sweetness that tenderizes the meat while complementing the umami-rich flavors of the Worcestershire and oyster sauce. Pop it in the fridge and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Once the marinating time is up, reheat your grill or broiler on medium-high for 5 to 10 minutes. While you wait for it to heat up, let's assemble our skewers. Push the pieces of beef onto the skewers, about 4 to 6 pieces per skewer. Now, I'm using an indoor fish grill because, well, I don't have a garden. Actually, I've never lived in a place with a yard in my entire life. So, if you're one of those lucky people with a beautiful big garden and a barbecue setup, please live my dreams for me and give this recipe the ultimate outdoor treatment it deserves. Just remember to adjust your cooking times and heat. And by the way, if you love this recipe, I think you also love my beef gyudon recipe. Check the description for more related recipes. Once assembled, place them on a wire rack and sprinkle with a pinch of coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Grill for 5 minutes on this first side. After 5 minutes, turn the skewers and sprinkle the other side with salt and pepper, then return them to the grill for 4 minutes. Once 4 minutes are up and the beef is cooked through with that gorgeous lightly charred surface, remove them from the grill. Now serve these beauties up with a sprinkle of Japanese chili pepper known as shichimi togarashi and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The marinade alone is quite sweet, so these two elements are quite important for balanced flavors. And there we have it. It's the kind of skewer that disappears at parties or barbecues, which is either a compliment or a warning depending on how many you made. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my beef playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.